Hello, my friends. In this detailed lesson, we will thoroughly learn and precisely get to know the correct and accurate way to effectively set the time or adjust the clock display to the 24-hour format on your iPhones. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So you start by opening the default settings app that is available on all iPhones. Then you will need to scroll down a little bit and carefully look for the option that is clearly labeled General. If your phone is currently set to another language, please remember the visual icons and the exact locations you will need to go to. So I will proceed to tap right here, and then you should carefully scroll down a little bit and diligently look for the specific option that is clearly labeled Date and Time. So as you can clearly see, I have already successfully enabled this particular option to the 24-hour format, as you can observe. And you can certainly enable this very useful option as well. If you've reached this specific point in the process, then you are doing great. Don't forget to check out this list. This comprehensive playlist, featuring a collection of highly informative iPhone tutorials, contains truly essential and incredibly helpful guides that you will undoubtedly find beneficial and genuinely appreciate. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.